Hi guys, it's me, T-Bone. Let's go ahead and do lesson 33 here for you. Sorry, 34. Lesson 34. Proportions, ratio, word problems. Okay, so we've talked a little bit about proportions. We've definitely talked about word problems. Proportion is a statement that two ratios are equal. Okay, the ratios 2 and 4 and 6 and 12 are equal in formal proportion. Okay, they are similar. Right? I can multiply the fraction 2/4 by 3 and get the exact same, right? If I were to look at it on a, I think it probably has one over here. No, it doesn't. If I were to look at it on a circle, right? If I had a circle here, 2/4, okay, that's here. If I look at another circle and I'm like, okay, that's 3/6, and then cut in half. Okay, now that's twelfths. 6/12 is the same, right? This, either which way, they are half of this circle. So they are proportional. These fractions are identical. Now, proportions are really going to help us when we start talking about triangles, but as well as other figures. Equal ratios reduced to the same ratio. Both 2/4 and 6/12 will all reduce to 1/2. Okay. I can multiply 2/4 by 3 to get 6/12. Mentioned that already. Okay. When you multiply both sides by 3, you're multiplying it by 1. Your identity form of multiplication says you can at any time multiply something by 1 and it's still the same number. 3/3, that's 1, okay? That equals 1. I can multiply 2/4 by 3/3 because I can, my law of multiplication, my identity property says I can multiply a number by 1 and it does not change the number. Now, yeah, I'm multiplying by 3/3. That's still 1. 6/12 is not a different number than 2/4. It looks different, but it is not actually a different number. Okay. Here we see classic proportion of pay for the hours. Okay. All of these are proportional, right? For every hour you work, she gets $12. But what we see here is just showing she's making more money, but 4 hours for 48, that's still the same rate. Okay, she's still getting paid $12 every hour. Okay, just because she has $48 doesn't mean something's changed. Okay, I think you guys should be okay here. We see situations that are not proportional. Okay, where you look at them and you figure out these are not the same things, right? Jobs that are tipped, of course, aren't going to be proportional because you don't know how much tip money you're going to get paid each hour for tips. So you're trying to figure out if things are proportional. If you're told something is proportional, then here 2 to 6, that's times 3. So that means that 8, if 2 is times by 3 to get to 6, 8 has to also be times by 3 to get to whatever this is, right? You have to times both by the same, that 1, okay? So they figure out 8 times 3 equals 24. There you go. Let's see. Anything else to talk about? There's a few other proportionality problems here. 24 is to 8 as what is to 5, right? I figure out how many times 8 goes into 24. 8 goes into 24 3 times. So that means 5 will go into M 3 times. Okay? So 5 times 3, 15. There you go. All right. It's a easier week today. You only have 3 lessons, but the day you're missing is Thursday, which means that you technically still have 4 days at home to work. So I'm kind of going to be a little mean to you guys here, and I'm going to say for your written practice, I want 1 through 30 all. Okay? So that's the written practice today. Sorry about that. Not that sorry. All right, guys. Have a good day.